Hey everybody, Connor from Diamondback. We're going to be talking about the Cirro suspenders in this video. For years we had our deluxe suspenders. They were a very popular option for people who wanted to move a little bit of the weight off of their belt onto their shoulders. But after about 6 or 7 years, we decided to make an upgrade. So now we've got the Cirro suspenders. Let me talk a little bit about these. You see, I'm wearing the high-vis yellow ones. We also offer them in black. Right away, you see that I have this grid system on here. That's for any of our clip-on accessories. Can be clipped on right here or here. Another thing you're going to see is the Twice Me chip up here. We have a separate video on Twice Me and more information on our website, but it is a medical ID system so that you can use an app on your phone to load information into this, your medical information, your next of contact, any of those sorts of things, and you can also introduce PDFs of any certifications you have, forklift, driving, scissor lift, whatever, so that you're ever on the job site and anybody wants to see that, you can tap it with your phone. You see this little orange tag here, D3O. D3O is a high-impact padding system that was developed largely in the contact sports, motorsports arena. We've brought that into construction. We have that padding here in the back, and this pad here in the back, as well as going down the front of the suspender. The front of the suspender, if you can maybe catch a little bit of the orange color on the video, that's the D3O padding in there. But then we also have this breathable spacer mesh on the outside of that to make these suspenders as comfortable as possible. They're going to carry the load. The D3O is made so that it does not break down like traditional foams or gels. And you also have the breathability of the spacer mesh. Sternum strap here across the top. The sternum strap is a very important part of the suspender system. It's going to allow you to, when you pull this tight, it's going to really bring the suspenders in tight to you and get the best fit for you. We've designed these suspenders so they have some curvature to them so that they're not rubbing right on sensitive areas, and they're going to curve out a little bit, just like any of your more modern hiking backpacks will do. The back is designed so that this transfer pad here in the back with that system, it's going to allow the suspender to rotate and really fit well on your shoulders. One of the issues we had with our old suspenders was it was difficult to fit on some body types. We designed this so that the shoulders can fit on more narrow shoulder bodies as well as wider bodies. Also see on the back of these suspenders, I've got this one configured so that it's in a 4-point version. The same suspender, by adjusting the way that the design works here on the back, you can bring this down so that it works as a 3-point system, and if you want, you can just cut this buckle off so that you can use 4 or 3 points. And our tempo belt, which is what I'm wearing right now, is made to accept either the 4-point or the 3-point system for the suspenders. So that is our new Cirro suspender system. Hope you want to check these out. If you have our old suspenders, it's probably worth the upgrade to get the new ones. Thanks a lot.